Hey guys, my name's Jake. I'm 21 from Australia. I'm in a band called Rock's Ferry. We're a punk rock band. If you want to check us out, we're on social media. You can find us anywhere. I've been playing since I was probably 6 years old, so my whole life pretty much. So I found Collision Drumsticks on Instagram and I really liked the look of the brand straight away and I ended up messaging them. And yeah, they got back to me straight away and they're like, yeah, try out these sticks. And I was like, sick. So I got these sticks and straight away they feel great. Like I play a 2B, so they're pretty thick and these sticks are super durable. They feel like probably any other massive brand I've ever played of stick, if not better. So that's awesome. And yeah, I really like how responsive the team is and really nice to get along with and just super easy going. So that's awesome. And yeah, I'm going to keep buying these sticks now. These are awesome. So yeah, get onto it if you ever want to try some sticks. Collision Drumsticks are the go. Yeah, so here's a live drum video of me playing the original song called Slob. Hope you enjoy it.
Our latest single